So, ito na nga ang Chika Mars. Basically, last night, we tried this cafe and restaurant in General Trias, Cavite. So, nakapanood ako ng vlog na featuring tong cafe and restaurant na to. And 20 minutes away lang siya from our house, kaya pumunta na kami. So, craving ako dun sa baked tiger prawns na finiture nila. And that's almost 500 pesos for 5 pieces. Hindi siya mura. And nung nasa third prawn na ako, napansin ko na may grayish na part. So, sabi ko naman, baka okay lang, baka natural lang. Pero pag nguya ko, malansa and sobrang off talaga. Kaya I asked the lady if they could return it to the kitchen and fix it. Eventually, parang nag-decide na lang din ako na i-take home yung food na yon. So, pagdating sa bahay, ayun, naayos naman nila. Pagkakita ko dun sa take-out, it finally looked like what I saw it in the vlog. So, ang laki talaga ng difference. Pero honestly, nakaka-frustrate kasi kung kaya naman pala nila gawin ng maayos, bakit hindi agad-agad? Kasi hindi biro yung presyo ng dish, so sana consistent sila. I hope they learn from this mistake. Kahit gaano ka-busy sa kitchen or kahit gaano kadaming tao, they shouldn't drop the standards. So dapat best effort pa rin sa bawat dish kasi every customer deserves that. Ikaw, na vlog versus reality ka na din ba?